Welcome to our special segment of Explainer, where we will delve into one of the graving issues, the safety of Indian Railways, and how the Railway Ministry is putting its best foot forward by introducing India's very own automatic train protection system, the Kavach system. As the Indian railway network is expanding rapidly, making it the second largest in the Asia, where millions of passengers travel daily, train accidents are also a significant concern, leading to many fatalities. Recent train accidents like the Kanchenjunga train collision that happened in February this year and the Dibrugarh-Chandigarh Express derailment incident of July have put the authenticity of the Indian Railways at stake. Not only this, stone pelting on newly launched trains and manual damages caused to the railway tracks have also led to some really minor and major train accidents. In such a dire situation, isn't it necessary that the railways should focus on the overall safety, protection, and comfort of passengers as well as ensuring expensive infrastructure? Well, keeping this in mind, the government has introduced an indigenously developed automatic train protection system known as the Kavach system. The first high-stake trial of this system was conducted in March 2022 in Secunderabad, Telangana, where a train and an engine were driven towards each other on the same track. During the trial, Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav was aboard the train. Fortunately, Kavach successfully stopped the train 380 meters away from the engine, proving the system effectiveness. Following this success, the government plans to deploy Kavach across the entire railway network to prevent any future train accidents. The installation of this system is expected to bring the train's accident down to zero. But how does this exactly work? To understand this, it is essential to know what the Kavach system is and how it operates. Kavach is an automatic train protection system that integrates multiple electronic devices. To prevent accidents, radio frequency identification devices (RFID) are installed on trains, tracks, and railway signal systems and at intervals of 1 kilometer at each station. These components are interconnected using ultra-high radio frequencies. Simply put, if a loco pilot jumps a signal, the Kavach system activates. It immediately alerts the pilot and brake controls of the train's brakes. If the system detects another train on the same track, it will stop the movement of the first train. The Kavach system also monitors the movement of trains on the tracks and the route where they are installed. To summarize, the Kavach system activates when two trains are on the same track, stopping both at a safe distance. It is important to note that the Kavach system was developed by the Indian Railways with the help of the Research Design and Standard Organization (RDSO). The work on this system began in 2012, aiming to achieve a zero accident target for trains. Altogether, the Kavach system now covers approximately 1500 kilometers. According to Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, the goal is to complete the installation on 44,000 kilometers by 2029. If the goal is met, more than half of the railway tracks will be equipped with Kavach system within the next 5 years, significantly reducing train accidents. As the plan is to achieve the goals of the Kavach system, we should also look after the overall Kavach of the railways. With the allocation of the budget for the railways in the interim budget 2024 and 2025 of rupees 2.62 lakh crores, Ashwini Vaishnav stated that 1.8 lakh crore out of the budget will be dedicated to increase the safety in the network. However, the question is, how big of a challenge is this for the government? To put it into perspective, India's railway network spans 68,000 kilometers and so far, the Kavach system has been installed on just around 1500 kilometers of the railway network with the ongoing work on an additional 1500 kilometers. It is projected that by the end of this year, 3000 kilometers of the railway network will be covered. Nonetheless, it will take several years to install Kavach across the entire network. Additionally, installing Kavach system is expensive and the Railway Ministry allocated over 557 crores in the interim budget of 2024 and 2025 to implement the Kavach in the railway network. Reports indicate that the Indian Railways has issued tenders for installing Kavach across 10,000 kilometers. So far, the Kavach has been deployed in the South Central Railway Zone, initially covering 264 kilometers across 25 stations. During 2020 and 2021, the system was installed over additional 322 kilometers covering 32 stations. In 2021 and 2022, it was expanded to cover 859 kilometers including 77 stations. While the government is aligned towards working to secure the Indian Railways through the Railways Covered system, the current challenge is the time that would be required. Yet, once fully installed, the Indian Railways will be accident-free, making it a significant development for the sector, keeping in mind that railways cater to all from nooks and corners of the country. What are your thoughts on this? Please share your comments. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you. Jai Hind.